Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the car modeling over here. So we'll continue with it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's just take some more references. So I'll again go over here. I'll go into this. Let's do some details over here. So let's go over here, let's select this, let's go into the modeling, select this part, let's take a swift loop over here, slightly scale it, make it straighter. Again let's use a swift loop, again make it straight. Similarly again I'll put one loop over here and again I'll make it as straight, put one loop here, make it straight, slightly just shuffle it in this way. So let's select the polygons and slightly I'll extrude it a bit inside over here. Let's click OK. Similarly again I'll extrude it a bit inside. Let's come out of it, let's select this, again let's take a copy of it, let's put something over here in this way. So I'll just go over here, drag it down, so we can just, so what I'll do is I'll keep some space, let's just drag this down till here, let's select this all, and I'll mirror it, copy it over here. In x-axis I can just slightly drag it out in this way. Let's go again over here, let's take one more reference, let's create the mirrors, side mirrors over here. So let's take a box, I'll go into this view over here, let's take a box. So after taking a box over here, I'll just select this, convert to editable poly. So select the polygons, slightly just push this out, I'll again put a loop, I'll scale this slightly. So let's put one loop here, one loop here, let's put one loop here. So I can just go into this, we can just assign, I'll go into this and I'll give mesh smooth over here, convert to poly, let's put some swift loops over here, select the model, let's go into this, let's add FFD box over here, drag this out, select this, drag it out, drag this, drag it, drag it in this way, convert to poly, select the polygons, select this all, so once you have selected, let's go into this. Slightly I can assign a bit of insert and extrude it a bit inside, slightly over here. Now again I'll select this, let's just place it over here. Before we place it, I'll again go over here, select the polygons and extrude it out, slightly push it in this way and isolate it. So select this, push it a bit inside, slightly drag it in this way, and I'll go over here, let's mirror it. So I can just mirror it over here in x axis, over here as well. So you can use this mirror over here. We can just give the same material to it so it blends into it. So we can make sure, let's just save the file once. Now we do have this door handles over here, so I can just go over here, I'll off this, so I can just select the area where we want this handles over here. I can just use Swift loop over here, so we'll create the handle over here. So this is a closest place where we can create this handle. So I'll put one Swift loop, one here, one here. I'll slightly just double click on the edges, push it at the center, push it down, select this in this way. So once it is done, we can slightly scale it. So I'll just scale it more over here. So I have scaled it, so we can just get an idea. Now select this polygons and slightly extrude it a bit inside. I'll slightly scale it. Again I will use one Swift loop over here. So let's add two edges. I'll make this as 0 and let's click OK. So you can see that I have created this patch over here for this. So again I'll go over here, I'll take a line, I can just take a line over here, or I'll take a box for the handle. Let's just take a box. So convert to poly. So I'll put one loop here, I'll put one loop here, put one loop here. So I'll keep on adding this. In this way. So let's go to the top view and I'll slightly shuffle it a bit inside. So select the polygons and let's slightly extrude it a bit in this way. So I can just use a NURBS toggle, I can just come out of it, and you can use one edge loops. Let's go into this and give mesh smooth over here. So I can just put this door handle at the right place. So I'll activate this, I'll just shuffle this out slightly, we can just scale it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.